Welcome, health enthusiasts! Did you know that a whopping 45 million Americans go on a diet each year? It's true! Yet, the harsh reality is that only a small fraction of these hopeful individuals achieve their weight loss aspirations. It's not a walk in the park, we know. The journey to a healthier self is often riddled with obstacles and setbacks. But wait, there's a silver lining! Certain foods, believe it or not, can act as your allies, aiding you in your weight loss journey. First up on our list is the humble avocado, a fruit that's so much more than a trendy toast topping. This green gem is a powerhouse of nutritional value, packed with healthy fats and fiber that can help you in your weight loss journey. These healthy fats aren't just good for your heart, they also keep you feeling satisfied and full, curbing those pesky cravings that can lead to overeating. And let's not forget the fiber. This dietary dynamite aids in digestion and keeps your gut health in check, which is crucial in maintaining a healthy weight. But the magic of avocados doesn't end there. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them a versatile addition to any meal. From blending into smoothies, mixing into salads, to even using as a healthier substitute for mayonnaise, avocados can be your secret weapon in the kitchen. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add some avocados to your cart. The second on our list is berries. Berries, nature's candy, are our next weight loss warriors. They're like tiny, colorful balloons packed with nutrition and goodness. When it comes to weight loss, berries are your best buddies. Why, you ask? Well, they're low in calories and high in fiber. This means they keep you feeling full and satisfied, helping you to eat less and lose weight. But that's not all. Berries are also brimming with health benefits. They're rich in antioxidants, those wonderful substances that help protect your body against aging and diseases. They're like a little army, fighting off harmful free radicals. And let's not forget about the variety. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, each with its unique flavor and health benefits. They're a fantastic way to add a sweet touch to your diet without piling on the calories. So, swap out your sugary desserts for a bowl of fresh berries. Trust us, your body will thank you. The third food on our list is egg. Eggs, often relegated to the breakfast table, deserve a spot in your weight loss diet. They are not just for your morning toast or omelet, but can also be a star ingredient in your lunch, dinner, or even snack. Why, you ask? Well, the secret lies in their high protein content. Protein is known to provide a sense of fullness, which can help curb overeating. In fact, studies show that a breakfast rich in protein, like an egg-based meal, can make you feel satisfied and reduce your hunger throughout the day. But that's not all. Eggs are also incredibly versatile. From a simple hard-boiled egg to a fancy frittata, the possibilities are endless. You can scramble them, poach them, bake them, or even make a cloud egg if you're feeling a bit adventurous. So, consider adding more eggs into your meals for a protein-packed punch. The fourth food on our list is green tea, a weight loss superstar. This ancient beverage from the East is not just for relaxation. It packs a powerful punch in the battle against excess weight. The secret lies in its metabolism-boosting properties. You see, green tea contains a compound called egg, or epigallocatechin gallate if you're into the scientific names. Now, this egg is a real game changer. It nudges your body's metabolic rate up a notch, helping you burn more calories even when you're just sitting around. But that's not all. Green tea is also a treasure trove of antioxidants. These little warriors fight off harmful free radicals, protecting your cells and keeping you healthy. They've been linked to everything from heart health to glowing skin. And the best part? It's all natural. No additives, no preservatives, just pure, wholesome goodness. So, replace your sugary beverages with a cup of green tea for a weight loss boost. The fifth food on our list is salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. Additionally, the protein content in salmon can help you feel full for a longer time. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can aid in your weight loss journey. We encourage you to embrace the magic of avocados, the power of berries, the secret of eggs, the wonder of green tea, and the health benefits of salmon. Give them a try, mix them up in your meals, and feel the difference they make. We'd love to hear your experiences, the changes you observe, the challenges you face. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? Start today, and don't forget to share your experiences with us. What's your favorite superfood for weight loss? Tell us in comments section down below. It's essential to note that while these foods can be beneficial, a well-rounded, balanced diet, combined with regular physical activity, is crucial for sustainable and healthy weight loss. Additionally, individual nutritional needs may vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare or nutrition professional for personalized advice. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Take care.